Hello friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. So my plan for today's video was just to showcase another Kaleidos makeup palette because you guys wanted separate tutorials with each of these palettes. I used the sci-fi green one today. It looks like this. And I created this look. I did a full face get ready with me. I had some issues, but you'll just have to watch that unfold. Let's move on with this disaster. All right, hello. I've already primed my face. I used the Pixi On The Glow Multi-Use Moisture Stick and the Kaleido Cosmetics Canvas Glow Enhancing Priming Moisturizer. And now I look nice and greasy and shiny and I'm ready for some makeup. If I don't mention a specific product, it will be in the description box because I don't know how chatty I'm gonna be. We'll see what kind of mood I'm in. But I bought the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer. And I bought the shade Fair Beige because the description usually matched what I go with, but this might actually be a bit light, but we're gonna go with it. I'm not gonna do foundation or anything. I kind of want to do just like a quick makeup today. Quick for me. It's still gonna be like a whole process, but we'll see. But I'm just gonna start by adding some of this concealer where I normally would, where I'm having some things popping up. I heard good things about this concealer, so here's to hoping. I mean, I hope it's great because it's cheap. I love my Makeup Revolution one, so it would be nice if I could have a couple options for cheap mascaras. I mean, concealers. Mascara, what am I talking about? We saw Lion King last night. I loved it. Lion King is my #1 favorite movie, in case you guys didn't know. I literally have Simba on my shoulder. It was my first tattoo. And it was so good. I really, really liked it. Granted, I like pretty much all of the Disney remakes. I think they're very well done. But I really liked this one. I don't know, just the visuals were so beautiful. I felt like all of the voice actors did such a great job. I loved Timon and Pumbaa. They were fantastic. I was nervous about them going in because I just love the original voice actors that voice them so much. So I wasn't sure how it would be with different people, but I loved it. Ooh, this concealer is definitely more full coverage than my Makeup Revolution one. And it's a bit paler, but that's okay. That's what bronzer's for. At least I know this concealer brightens me up. What more can you ask for? I probably could have used a lot less. I was used to my Makeup Revolution one having to use a decent amount just because it's not the most full coverage, which is fine with me. I don't need crazy full coverage. But with this concealer, noted, I won't use as much next time. I look very bright and pale and awake now, so I guess that's good. It got the job done. I'm gonna just start bronzing now. I loved the music in the movie. I will say I don't like the way they did Be Prepared in this movie. I don't know, it was just, I don't know. I wish it would have been more, but literally everything else I'm happy with. I think it was just so good. It was so cute. Can we talk about how I'm excited for It Chapter 2? I love it. I watched the It remake while I was sick for probably the 6th time. I've seen that movie so much. It's one of the few movies I've actually bought after I've seen it in theaters. I don't do that too often. But I paid for that movie in 4K and everything because I just adore it with my whole heart. For blush, I'm just going to use my Lime Crime Zip. Yes. But yeah, I adore it. I think they did such a great job remaking that movie. I know it's kind of old news now. It's been out for a long time. But I just love the kid actors. I love the cinematography. I love the story. I love how they portrayed everything. And it's so funny. There's so much comedy in it, which I really like. I really like when horror movies are good at mixing the scary with comedy. It just makes it, I don't know, more pleasant. I don't know, I feel like it almost gives me the same kind of vibe that Stranger Things gives me. And not just because one of the actors from that is in it. There's something about it. I absolutely love that movie. It's literally one of my favorite movies. I could watch it every day. See, I feel like I already look more put together now that I have some blush and bronzer on. It's amazing what a difference that makes. Piling a decent amount of blush on just because of how pale my face is. So far I really like the finish of this concealer too. It looks really pretty. I'm going to go ahead and set my face now though, and I'm still using my Lunatick Mystifying Mattifying powder. You can see I've been using it like crazy because it's getting a dent in it. Morgan and I have officially completed 16 weeks in the gym of being very consistent. Our average is probably 4 days a week. We aim for 5 days a week, but sometimes it's 4. I don't know. I feel like we're pretty good at going 5 days a week. If we go 4, we just work out a little extra one of the days. But yeah, we've completed 16 weeks of being consistent. We just started a new workout plan like this week. We bought one from Katie Hearn. I've been following her for literally years. I think she's stunning and her body looks amazing. So we bought her Build a Booty workout plan because I need to build a booty bad. I've definitely gained some definition in my glute area since working out, but I'm ready for more. I'm just excited about my progress, and I'm just proud of myself for staying so consistent because I work so much. I don't know, I never would have thought I would be able to manage uploading pretty much every day and running my own salon studio and working out so much. I don't really have time for much else. That's the bottom line. I sleep, I eat, I gym, I work. And I hang out with Morgan and Mackenzie sometimes. My nose looks a little dry, but it's been looking like this week. I don't know what it is. Maybe I'll do a face mask tonight to try to add some hydration back into my nose. Granted, I know I just used a mattifying powder, but it just looks a little dry. But that's okay. I don't think I'm going to add any additional bronzer. I'm just not feeling that today, but I am going to add a little bit more blush. This is the Colourpop Count Me In blush. Just going to pop some of that on the tippage of my nose and stamping my cheeks. Ooh, I guess I can give you a salon update. I think it's safe enough to announce it now. Morgan and I are going to be sharing our salon studio together. Nicole got into the nursing program, the one that I currently share with now. So when our lease ends, Morgan is going to swoop in and take over her spot, and I'm so excited to work with her. I love Nicole, I love working with her, but she's on a different path now. She's doing a different career, she's got different things to worry about. So I'm just excited for some change. I'm excited to work with Morgan, and it's gonna be so fun. Ooh, I'm looking like really crepey and dry under my eyes. That doesn't look good. I don't know if that's just from the concealer or from powders or just my skin being funny. I'm gonna spray some of this Tarte mist, a ton of it. I need to douse myself, and then I'm just gonna lightly pounce over my skin to try to mesh everything in a little bit nicer and see if that works. It better work. My whole plan today was quick makeup. I didn't want to spend a ton of time because I want to film this video and then a chatty video. It's breaking up funny on my cheekbones. I don't know what is going on. From far away, I don't think you can really tell, but up close, I can definitely see it's breaking up a lot under here. And it could just be that I use too much concealer because it's only happening right here. Huh, that's very odd. Just going to try to press my makeup back into my skin. Don't leave me. It's odd, but you can't really tell from far away, and I'm going to be wearing glasses today anyways. I'm just going to have to let it go because I don't have time to redo things. Not today. I'm going to fan my face a little bit, and then I'm going to go in with my Freckle pen from Lime Crime. I learned recently that this pen was limited edition. I was not aware of that. And it's not on Lime Crime's website anymore, but it is on Ulta's website. I grabbed another one because this one will be gone eventually. And I also bought the pen from the brand Freck, which I think they were one of the first to come out with like an actual Freckle product. So I'll try that one eventually, but I'm scared of it. I'm scared I won't like it as much as this one, and then I'll be heartbroken because this one I won't be able to get forever. The top of my cheekbones looks so bad. I'm so upset about it. I'm hoping when I put highlight on, maybe it'll, I don't know, mesh things together a little bit more. My skin just looks a little cakey, but again, I think it's just because I used a lot of concealer and I didn't mean to. I don't know. I just don't know. I'm not sure. This is going to be a not so great makeup day, I have a feeling. Depending on how this turns out, I might not even film a chatty video after this if I look too scary. Oh, I just look so cakey on my nose. I don't understand why my nose and top of my cheekbones look so bad. I hope you can't tell from far away because up close it looks scary. I'm gonna try to highlight and see if it saves it, but if not, I might have to take it off and try again because it's just looking that bad. Okay, with highlight on, I don't feel like you can tell as bad. I'm using the Pixi Subtle Sunrise. This one's a really smooth highlight, which I think is helping the situation because if I had a really chunky glittery one, it would be making it look more emphasized. My nose looks awful, man. It looks so awful. Ugh, I'm gonna spray and try to tap over my nose again. Once in a while, my nose will just act up and it does not want to hold makeup, and I don't know why, because sometimes it's fine, but sometimes it's bad, and I can't figure out what causes it. I have no idea. Ugh, and all the freckles keep fading from my nose too. I need at least a couple to stick. I think this pen might be dying, actually. I might have to bust out my second one at some point. Just need a couple, just to look cohesive. Okay, I know I look very dewy and glossy. Once this spray dries down, it'll look better. This is not my favorite face makeup day, but it is what it is. Let's play with some eyes. I know that this will go well, hopefully. This is the Kaleidos Makeup Futurism Sci-Fi Green palettes. I'm excited to play with this. I don't know what I want to do. I think I want to do something mostly with like these shades, but we will see. I don't want anything too complicated, like I've said 100 times. I'm going to prime my eye with my Sigma eyeshadow base in Ignite. I'm going to go in with the mustard yellow, which is called Radioactive, and I'm just going to take this big brush from Spectrum. It's a C06, and I just want this kind of packed all in my crease and then blend it out. I'm going to take it underneath that lower lash line as well. Gonna wipe that brush off so it's a little more clean so I can really start blending this edge because I really don't want any other shadows in my crease. I think I just want to keep it simple. Oh, my skin is getting so crepey. I don't understand. My skin is so tacky right now. I don't understand why it didn't really set. I'm getting mad. I'm gonna try to add a little bit more powder. Oh my gosh, my makeup looks so ugly right now. What is going on? I'm getting heated. Okay, I'm gonna calm down. I'm gonna finish my eye makeup and then I will fix it because I don't want to start from square one. Regardless, I like this crease color. That's a good thing. Now I want to go in and pop this one here, and that's called Glamora? Gamora? Guardians of the Galaxy? Glamora? I don't know. I'm just taking an eyeshadow brush and some of my NYX glitter primer. I'm going to pop that all across my lid. And then I'm going to dip into that shade. Oh, that's so pretty. And that's just going to go all across my lid. Nothing too wild, nothing too crazy. And then I'm just going to take that first brush to blend the edge so that it flows from shimmer to matte nicely. I like that. And then for my inner corner, I want to go in with the other shimmer. This one's called Nuclear. I'm just going to take a little brush and pop that in the inner corner for a cute pop of gold moment. I like that. I wish my skin didn't look so absolutely atrocious. I don't know why my skin like didn't set. I've never experienced that. And I know it's not the setting spray because I've used it 100 times. I'm just gonna work on trying to salvage my face. I'm not gonna continue doing it on camera because you're just gonna see me get increasingly more angry, I have a feeling. So I'm gonna try to fix my face, do the other eye, throw my lashes, something on my lips, and then we will finish this up. All right, this is the final look. I hope you like it. I know I got real frustrated, and it's not my favorite I've ever looked in my life. From far away, I don't feel like I look bad. I feel like I look pretty normal. I feel like my eyelash is lopsided, but up close I can definitely see a lot of issues with my skin. I don't know if it was this concealer. I'm gonna try it again using less of it and we will see what happens, but I have not ever seen like crepiness on my skin like that in a very long time, especially because I didn't use foundation or anything. I can see that happening more if foundation and concealer don't mesh well, but it was very odd that it was just the concealer possibly that did that. In my waterline, I know I didn't say it before because I kind of jumped off before I did it. I used my Torch pencil from Urban Decay. I just felt like that little pop of orange would be cute in my waterline. And to fix my skin, I just kind of went through, I actually used some RCMA powder, which I don't reach for often because it's a little too heavy duty for my dry skin, but it was able to kind of set my makeup so it wasn't moving around and tacky anymore. I don't know why it wouldn't set. And I added a little bit more blush and a little bit more highlight, and it's better. Like I said, I don't love it up close. It's not my favorite I've ever looked, but it'll work for now because I don't have time to fix it. I'm totally not filming another video after this because I feel a little self-conscious. You remember that one tag video when it was the question, bad base or bad eye makeup? I hate having a bad base. I feel so self-conscious, but it's whatever. My lashes are the same disco lashes from Pinky Rose, and on my lips I went with Butterscotch Plushies from Lime Crime. I think it's cute. I like this look. It's simple. The whole point of this look was to be like a simple but impactful look. I was even going to throw on a really big wing to like add some drama to it, but I lost the motivation to. I lost my mojo. I don't know what is going on today, but you know what? Sometimes it's good to see people struggle with makeup because it's not always a perfect makeup day. So this is how it is. I hope you enjoyed this video, even though it's not like my best. I hope you liked listening to me chat about movies and shows. If you did enjoy it, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already, please hop over to my Instagram and follow me there. It's beautbean. I post every single day, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I try to post here every day as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.